In this video, I will show you how to get Maxed Fabric certified for free, and I will also share a few amazing learning resources that can help you pass your exam on the first try. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Alexi and I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP, and on this channel I cover Maxed Fabric related topics. But now let me show you how to get those free certification vouchers. So, in order to get one of those free vouchers, you have to go to the aka.ms/dd/cert, and on that page you will find the instructions for getting your voucher. One of the important things to note is that the vouchers are limited and they are available on first come, first served basis. But I would imagine that there are quite a lot of them available, so I wouldn't stress too much about getting one if you complete the requirements during the upcoming weeks. The first learning resource I want to mention is CertiAce. CertiAce is a platform that I founded that offers high-quality practice questions and practice exams for different Microsoft certification exams, including DP-700, DP-600, and DP-800. On the platform, we also have practice case studies for all of those exams, and that is especially useful because case studies are the part that many people struggle with. Then on top of that, we have a realistic timed practice exam and also our state-of-the-art AI question generator that allows you to generate even more questions on top of our extensive question pools. And to celebrate Data Days, CertiAce is also offering massive discounts on the Pro plan, which gives you access to all the resources on the platform. You can use the code DATA60 to get 60% off the annual plan, which is a massive discount. Or if you prefer the monthly plan, you can use the code DATA30 to get 30% off the monthly plan. Both of these codes can be used at checkout and they apply to the first billing cycle. The codes are valid until the end of this week, meaning that the offer expires on June 21st. You can find the link to the CertiAce in the video description. Another resource I want to mention is Fabric Forge, which is another platform I have founded. Fabric Forge provides many different resources that can help you to prepare for DP-700 and DP-600 exams. But more importantly, we have created a lot of hands-on tutorials there to help you to actually learn Maxed Fabric. And I think we can all agree that hands-on learning is one of the best ways to really understand these topics. Joining Fabric Forge is completely free and you can also access a lot of content there for free. We also offer a premium membership there, which gives you instant access to all the premium resources, including weekly calls with me and other brilliant Fabric instructors. During those calls, you can come and ask your Fabric questions directly from us and learn from real-world scenarios. You can also find a link to the Fabric Forge in the video description. Lastly, I also have a lot of videos for both DP-600 and DP-700 exams on this YouTube channel, and I will put both playlists here on the screen so you can easily check them out. Now, I wish you good luck on your exam journey and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.